Good morning, everyone. This is Adriano Autino, President of Space Renaissance International. I'm speaking from my home in northern Italy. I hope all of you are safe at your home too. And I want to say a very heartfelt thanks to all the people who are fighting COVID-19 all around planet Earth in these days, and especially to the people who works in the health, doctors and nurseries and all this kind of activities that are in the first line against the virus. So the COVID-19 global crisis is dramatically real, and all of our old diatribes are bullshit now. However, different communities will try to use the crisis to confirm their ideologies and use it to claim a confirmation of their recipes for saving the planet. Radical ecologists will argue that humanity has abused the resources of this planet and now it is time for degrowth. They could be right in their analysis, but they are utterly wrong in their pre-Copernican conclusion. Coercive authoritarians, both socialist and fascist, will find new arguments to promote new dictatorships. Extreme libertarians will promote a strategy based on closed doors and every man for himself. Many, even inside the space community, will argue that we should solve problems on Earth before going to space. All of these people will emphasize that space is not a priority. However, COVID-19 makes extremely clear that a closed civilization confined to planet Earth is at high risk of implosion. Beginning to expand beyond Earth must be seen as a top priority. There's no such thing as solving our problems on Earth before going to space. Only expanding into space can provide viable long-term solutions for our problems on Earth, including environmental ones. Civilian space development has the potential to provide great abundance of resources in the solar system. That's why any attempt to use the current crisis and the next ones that will come to promote solving problems on Earth before or instead of expanding into space must be firmly opposed. We are perfectly aware that all the social issues existing on Earth will be exported into space. But the immense abundance of resources of the solar system can, in the future, mitigate social problems. In space, there will be enough room for free development and different social models. Socialists will have an opportunity to finally socialize wealth instead of poverty. Capitalists will have an opportunity for finally fair competition. Environmentalists will, in due time, enjoy a sustainable Earth transformed in a beautiful garden. So we at Space Renaissance, we are aware of this priority. And we are working hard in these days in order to make our message to spread on the whole planet Earth, to reach all the good-willing people in our planet, to ask them to join us and to collaborate to make this priority to become a real priority for all the governments of Earth. And therefore, we launched, together with other 15 co-hosting organizations, an initiative called Civilian Space Protocol, the goal of which is to send a letter to all of the governments subscribed to United Nations. There are about 200 governments on the whole planet, in order to adopt some priorities that are the enabling technologies to start bringing civilian people not particularly trained as astronauts to work and live in space as soon as possible. Only expanding our civilization in the outer space, we will stop keeping all of our eggs in one only basket and assure the continuation of human civilization. So, join us, join the Space Renaissance, help us to make this goal become true, and allowing 8 billion humans to continue their growth beyond the borders, beyond the boundaries of our mother planet. This is all for today. Ad Astra.